Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Pranita. I hope you are doing great. In previous video we learned about arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator and set operator and string operator in MySQL. Today we are going to learn arithmetic function in MySQL. Basically, arithmetic functions are built-in functions provided by SQL that helps us perform mathematically calculations and directly in the SQL queries. Instead of calculating values manually, we can use this function to get results quickly and accurately. These functions are commonly used in banking application, payroll system, result system, inventory management system, and many others real-time projects. So let's understand the functions one by one with the practical example. So basically मन में एक सवाल अराइज होता है कि जो हमारी अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स थे और अरिथमेटिक फंक्शंस थे सो बोथ आर द डिफरेंस अरिथमेटिक फंक्शंस अलग है और अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स अलग है अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स में हमारे आते हैं एडिशन सब्सट्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन और अरिथमेटिक फंक्शंस में आते हैं एबीएस सेल्स फ्लोर राउंड स्क्वायर पावर एंड मोड. So, what are the arithmetic operation functions? Basically, arithmetic functions are predefined in MySQL functions used to perform mathematical operations on number. Some commonly used arithmetic functions like ABS, cell, floor, round, mode, power and square root. Let's start with the first function. First, open your workbench. And let's connect your local host. Select a new SQL file. Okay. First one is a ABS function. So ABS stands for absolute value. This function converts negative numbers to positive numbers. Select ABS in bracket minus 50. So see here 50 is converted in पॉजिटिव नंबर. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया था जो -50 था वो निगेटिव नंबर्स था तो एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ने क्या किया उसको पॉजिटिव बना दिया. इज इट क्लियर? सो here we passed a -50 as an input. ABS removes the negative signs and returns the 50 means positive numbers. The functions is useful when only needs to magnitude of a numbers. Second one is a cell. So basically cell stands for ceiling. These functions always round a decimal numbers upward to the next integer. See, select cell 12, 2. Last semicolon is important. See, wait. सॉरी यहाँ गलती से कॉमा डॉट देना था. So 12.2 means point. 12.2. Okay. See here 13 is output although the decimal parts is only 0.2. So cells moves the numbers whole numbers therefore the result is 30. तो 12.2 को उसको उसने कन्वर्ट करके क्या किया है 30 मीन्स राउंड फिगर नंबर कर दिया है. थर्ड वन इज अ फ्लोर फंक्शन. The floor function always round a decimal number into downward. Let's see, select floor in bracket 12.9. See the result. इट इज डाउनवर्ड्स मीन्स उसने डेसिमल नंबर्स को क्या किया है, स्किप किया है और सिर्फ जो 12 नंबर था वो उसने रखा है. इवन थ्रू अ डेसिमल वैल्यूज इज 9 फ्लोर removes the decimal pass and returns only 12 values. Fourth one is a round. So round a number of the nearest whole number. Let's see, select round in curly bracket, sorry, round bracket 12.6. See the result. 13 is output. Since the decimal values is greater than 0.5, MySQL rounds the value up. If we executed another one, select round 12.3. See, only 12 is आउटपुट. सो बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है, हमारा रूल है कि 0.5 के ऊपर की जो वैल्यूज होती है वो कन्वर्ट्स होती है वन नंबर में, मीन्स 12 प्लस 1 में. 13 आंसर आया था इसका. और जो हमारे 0.5 के नीचे की जो वैल्यूज होती है वो एज इट इज कैरी होती है. तो आंसर इज 12. Okay, because of the decimal value is less than 0.5. Fifth one is a mode function. Sorry, mode returns the remainder after division. Select mod in bracket 17,5. तो यहाँ पे पॉइंट नहीं आएगा, कॉमा आएगा. लेट्स से आंसर 2. When 76 is divided by 5 is equal to 2, then remainder is 2. Therefore, modes returns the answer is 2. Sixth one is a power. The power function is used to calculate the power of numbers. Select power 2, 3. So output is 8. 2 raised to the power of 3 means 2 multiplied by into 3. Therefore, result is 8. 7 number function is square root. SQRT stands for square root. It returns the square root of the any given numbers. See SQRT in bracket. You can any number here type here. So answer is 8. Because of 8 into 8, it is 64. There is the square root of 64 is 8. This query executes all arithmetic functions together and displays the result in a single tables or different tables. Okay, real-time applications of arithmetic functions. First is a banking system. Second is a payroll management system. Third is student result processing. Fourth one, inventory management. And last one is a e-commerce application. These functions help perform calculations quickly and accurately. Okay. Today's in this video we learn about ABS functions means absolute function. Second one is a ceiling function. Third one is a floor function. Fourth one is a round function. Fifth one is a mode function. Sixth one is a power function. And seventh one is a square root function. All these arithmetic functions are very useful in performing mathematical calculation in MySQL. Okay. If you found this video is helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Tech with Pranita. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thank you all of you.